Hey guys, today I have three rolling tool bags. Got the Klein, the Milwaukee, and we have the husky. Husky's 18, Milwaukee's 18, the Klein is 20. They're all nice bags. The downfall with the husky is the wheels are just way too small. The Milwaukee have 6-inch, the Kleins have a big 8-inch. The Klein's is super heavy. I mean, this is a job site rolling bag. It's not a bag for people who do service work, or if you're gonna be having your tool in and out of your truck. That's not the bag for you. It's way too heavy, and it doesn't have no tools in it right now, and it's really hefty. It's really heavy. It's deep. To me, it's a little bit narrow, but it's very deep. Here's the Milwaukee. Yeah, here's the Milwaukee. It's also deep. Klein's a little bit deeper, about 2 inches deeper than it. And the Milwaukee is about 2 inches deeper than the husky. Out of all three, the Kleins have the highest angle. It's about an inch higher than the Milwaukee, and the Milwaukee is about 3 inches higher than the husky. I like the wide width with the Milwaukee handle. Wide, and it feels very sturdy. The Kleins, it feel a little flimsy, just like the husky. It's a very similar makeup. I have the husky, and after a while it doesn't retract properly. I'm not sure about the Kleins. The Kleins, it has a hard top. You could put like a cup holder. Right here you could put a speaker or a flashlight. Hard top you could probably sit on, eat your lunch. These